This tutorial explains the principles of database backup in PAC Access Control software. The Access Control database comprises of two files. The database, containing all the data relating to system hardware, software settings, key holders, etc. And the event log, which is a file containing records of every event that has been reported to the administration PC. When performing a backup, a path is made to a backup folder, preferably on an external drive, and a copy of the database is made in that folder. An option is given to include a copy of the event file in the backup. The path to the backup directory is displayed. This path can be changed by selecting the Options button. This opens the Organization Options screen, which can also be accessed from the Tools tab in the top toolbar in the PAC software application. Click the Browse button if you wish to change the backup path. A reminder will be displayed when a backup is due at the moment when an operator logs on. The default setting is 7 days, but this may be adjusted. Tick the box to include the events log in the backup.